NDTV has accessed 130 pages of the document which will highlight that how not just once but multiple times the norms were flouted by the Luthra brothers there in Goa at the Romeo Lane. These documents reveals and exposes that how multiple times the show cause notices were issued, demolition notices were issued. It was told that the construction on which the Romeo Lane is standing is completely unfit for the use, and still it was being run, and that is why we had to lose 25 innocent lives, viewers. And now we'll be showing you the documents and we'll be revealing one by one that what are the facts and how multiple times repeatedly the notices were being issued and still no action was being taken. First of all, let us talk about this particular document which highlights about how illegal construction in eco-sensitive zone, that is salt pan agriculture field, discharge of sewage into the Baga river, misutilization of open spaces and contravention to the building bylaws. And now it also highlights one by one that how these norms were flouted. It clearly mentions that it is a sensitive zone, it is used for salt pan agriculture field, and on that area this entire club was running. Let us talk about the second document, which is the demolition notice, viewers. It was issued on 20 April 2024, just about approximately an year back. Simultaneously, site inspection was carried out. It was found that you have carried out unauthorized construction of shops, restaurants, is in alleged salt pan located area of so and so village. So it also mentions that how these constructions have been carried out in a salt pan area, and then it mentions that how it on 15/2/2024 a notice was issued to you and a time limit of 15 days was granted, and now they are hence issuing a demolition order to Mr. Surendra Kumar Khosla. He is the the second owner, we can say, of this entire land, because this entire property was being used by Luthra brothers. It was on lease to them. Within a period of 15 days from the date of receipt of this notice, failing which said construction will be demolished by the panchayat after expiry of time limit without giving further notice, by sending requisition to the demolition squad and the expenditure incurred, and it has all the details about how the demolition will be carried out. Now it also mentions one of the very interesting thing. This is the checklist, viewers. It is from the office of Talati of Arpora that we have exclusively accessed, and it first of all talks about what is the purpose of the land on which the entire property is built. For what purpose land was used prior to illegal construction? Prior to construction, there was salt pan, paddy field and sluice gate and area, and also land filling has been done for an area of around 25,750 square meters with an average height of 1.5 meters in Arpora, Badis, Goa. So it highlights that it was a paddy field earlier, it was a salt pan, and how there has been extensive land filling done in the area so that this entire area could be used for the club. Area and purpose for which it is utilized after illegal conversion. It has all the details about how much the area was, what all its dimension was, and how many properties are built. Whether the party admits the unauthorized use made by him and whether is willing to regularize statement be recorded, to which he says party says that he has all the documents but did not produce even after giving several opportunities for almost 2 months. That means again the documents were not presented. Now we'll also be showing you the pictures of, that's the picture of, if you can zoom into this particular area. So this is the Romeo Lane which was turned into ashes, which killed 25 innocent individuals who were there in that on that night. And this is the entire area, which is built in between which is surrounded by water, and it was not supposed to be built. That is the another show cause notice issued again in the year 2024. Show cause as to why we should not take action against you for such illegal conversion of use of land from one purpose to another, failing which it will be presumed that we have nothing to say in the matter and directions to restore the land to its original land should be issued. So that's another show cause notice, and that's the court of deputy collector and subdivisional officer. So these are the documents that we have accessed. Now this is the document of the from the office of the senior town planner. It also says that how the norms were flouted. This was written in the year January 2024. Show another show cause notice, environmental construction and properties, that's the office of village panchayat, show cause notice and thereafter demolition notice to Surinder Kumar Khosla, that was in the year 2024. Now here is the another demolition notice that highlights that you have carried out unauthorized construction of shops, inspection report, rough sketch, alleged unauthorized construction along with the entire correspondence in due course was placed. A meeting was held and it shows that how he has failed to produce all the kinds of documents, evidence that was supposed to be presented in front of the officials, in front of the administration, and they failed to produce such documents. Again, that's the letter to the director of panchayats to the deputy director, which says alleged illegal construction in the property bearing survey number so and so was carried out and it was found that it is an illegal construction. So not just once, viewers, we have been watching that how multiple times these kind of illegal constructions have been the word illegal construction is being mentioned. That's the map. If we can highlight this also, that is the entire, this is the map of the entire area. And now very interesting part, that's the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. Now what does this say? That is the show cause notice issued under section 5. It highlights again that what was there earlier. There exists one RCC G+1 structure in roughly hexagon shape of area approx 550 square meter, which is erected in the water body of ground floor, which is used as a kitchen and storeroom area, and first floor with MS channels framework and coconut leaves roofing is used as a restaurant area, which runs under the title Birk by Romeo Lane. Here it acknowledges that how this entire club was run over here. Here it highlights the manner in which it was constructed, where was the kitchen. Now here is the one more important point. All proposed construction, reconstruction, how the approvals were taken, it highlights that, and therefore it also in fact mentions that how the entire construction is completely illegal, not according to the norms, because a show cause notice has been issued to why direction to demolish the structure and restore the land to its original condition should not be issued to you, because it is flouting all the norms that we read out earlier while we in fact read out all these documents and revealed that how these all documents, the construction, reconstruction, repair licenses, if any issued by the concerned authorities with approved plan, so they are asking all the documents that have been that were asked from these individuals, but none of the documents were provided, and hence that is why such kind of construction was made over there. Now these are the pictures again we'll be showing you. This is the picture again which showcases that how this is the water area. If we can highlight, this is the water, and here in the mid this entire construction is being done, despite the fact that it highlights that within the vicinity of 200 meters no construction should be done, and this is a large construction that was done over here. That these are the images, these pictures that we are bringing to you, and that's the map. That's the map, viewers, that here is the resort, here is this entire lake, here is the Lakeview Resort, and these are the pictures again. So it's very much clear, these 130 pages documents that NDTV has exclusively accessed highlights the fact that how the norms were flouted, the illegal construction was done, the land that belonged, that originally was supposed to be used for agriculture was a salt pan, on that a construction was done, and hence the manner in which it was built was also completely illegal. So that's the proof, that's the evidence, but question remains that why the action was not taken on time, and if the action would have been taken on time, all those 25 individuals who lost their lives would have been alive, and these Luthra brothers who are on run would have been behind the bars. With Vijay Prashant, this is Tejri for NDTV from Noida.